Hi, showcasing my town. Universidad abierta y a distancia. English course B1. Code 90003. Alejandro Molano. Chia is a little town near Bogota. I visit my grandparents a few months ago. I enjoyed this time. We ate in this restaurant, the best ever. I ate patacon con queso, delicious. In this place, you can enjoy the most delicious food. I recommend patacon con hogao, ajiaco, empanadas, refajo, beer mixed with soda and aguardiente. I used to walk and visit the old town near the principal square. It is very nice and you can find little coffees and drink tinto coffee and eat almojábanas, typical bread. Located in the top of the Balvanera mountain, you can find a little church where people used to visit every weekend. From its viewpoint, we can observe the entire city. Thank you. Let's go visit Colombia.